good people. Today my title is about strategic wisdom of Napoleon Bonaparte. It's called never interrupt your enemy while he is making a mistake. Do you have enemy? Please remember this quote of the Napoleon Bonaparte. Okay, never interrupt your enemy while he is making a mistake. Okay, let's see together and I explain well. Okay, in the annals of warfare and strategy, there are numerous maxims that encapsulate timeless wisdom. Among these, one stands out for its simplicity and profundity. Okay, never interrupt your enemy while he is making a mistake. Attributed to the legendary military strategist Napoleon Bonaparte. This phrase holds profound implications not only in the matters of conflicts but also in the broader context of competitions, negotiations, and even in daily life. Okay, so the essence of strategic patience, at its core, this principle advocates for strategic patience and restraint. It recognizes that adversaries, be they in wars, business, or personal confrontations, are often prone to errors and misjudgments. By refraining from interference during these moments of vulnerability, one can allow the natural course of events to unfold, potentially leading to the enemy's soft defeats. And the quotes above is Napoleon's insights. What are they? Okay. Napoleon Bonaparte, whose military genius reshaped the landscape of Europe in early 19th century, understood the power of timing and opportunism. His victories were not merely the result of superior firepower or tactics, but also of astute observations and calculated patience. And by discerning the weaknesses and follies of his opponent, he exploited the mistake to devastating effect. And what about psychology of errors? The quote above, never interrupt your enemy when he's making a mistake. By the way, central to the maxim is an understanding of human psychology and the dynamics of conflict. So in the heat of competitions, individuals and organizations may succumb to hubris, arrogance, or miscalculation. These moments of overreach or complacency can create openings for their adversaries to gain the upper hand. And the case studies in strategy based on history is replete with examples that illustrates the efficacy of these principles across various domains. On military campaigns, first on the Battle of Cannae, 216 before century, when Hannibal's encirclement of a larger Roman force demonstrated the power of patience and maneuverings, allowing his opponent to exhaust himself before delivering the decisive blow. So, and the second military campaigns was on the invasion of Russia at 1812. Years Napoleon's ill-fated campaign illustrates the perils of overextension, underestimating the enemy's resilience. His failure to recognize the harsh Russians' winter proved catastrophic. And on business rivalries, this tactic, the strategic wisdom uh, was used on the Cola Wars. Okay, in the 1980s, Coca-Cola's ill-fated introduction of new Coke provided an opening for its rivals Pepsi to capitalize on consumers' backlash and gain market shares. And second, even about business rivalries, which is suitable with the quote above, is on tech industry battles. Numerous instances in the tech sector, such as Microsoft's missteps in 1990s or BlackBerry's failure to adapt to the rise of touchscreens smartphones, highlights the importance of timing and adaptation. On the note on negotiations and diplomations, the quotes was used on the Cold War. Strategic patience and contentment define much of the geopolitical rivalry between United States and the Soviet Union, with both sides seeking to exploit the other's missteps while avoiding direct informations. And the second event on negotiation and diplomacy is on international treaties. On diplomatic negotiation often hinge on timing and leverage, with skilled negotiation waiting for the opportune moment to press their advantage or exploit divisions among their counterparts. So, about application beyond conflicts, so while the maxim originates in the context of warfare, its applicability extends far beyond military strategy. In business, politics, sports, and everyday interactions, the principle of not interrupting one's adversary while they are faltering holds true. It underscores the value of discernment, patience, and strategic thinking in navigating competitive environments. So the conclusions about the Bonaparte's strategic wisdom: never interrupt your enemy when he is making mistakes. In a world characterized by competition and conflicts, the wisdom encapsulated in never interrupt your enemy while he is making mistakes remains as relevant as ever, whether on the battlefields, in boardroom, or in personal interactions. The ability to recognize opportune moments and exercise restraint can be the difference between victory and defeat. As Napoleon himself understood, sometimes the most effective strategy is simply to wait, observe, and let the mistakes of others pave the path to success. So, good people, so you can use, applicate this strategic wisdom, for making yourself peace and others condition and our society can be always peaceful. Okay, and don't forget to share this content to anyone, anywhere, so you can create the world's be happy anytime. Thanks for you watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channels, FNS Life and SNS Afterlife, based on Islamic teachings. Thanks. Bye bye.